AOC Q27G4 WS Gaming Monitor, Fast IPS, 200Hz QHD display with HDR 400 and 0.3 milliseconds response time. The gaming monitor industry continues to move toward faster refresh rates, sharper resolutions, and more immersive visuals. AOC has introduced the Q27G4 WS Gaming Monitor, a 27-inch performance-focused display designed for competitive gamers, content creators, and everyday users who want a premium viewing experience. Combining a fast IPS panel, QHD resolution, 200Hz refresh rate, 0.3 milliseconds MPRT response time, adaptive sync, and display HDR 400 certification, this monitor delivers a strong balance between speed, image quality, and modern gaming features. The AOC Q27G4 WS is built for users who demand smooth gameplay without sacrificing visual detail. With advanced gaming technologies, ergonomic adjustments, and wide connectivity options, it aims to become a complete solution for PC gaming setups. Fast IPS panel and QHD resolution. At the heart of the AOC Q27G4 WS is a 27-inch IPS display with a resolution of 2560 x 1440 pixels QHD. This resolution provides a major upgrade over traditional full HD monitors by offering sharper images, better details, and more screen space for gaming, work, and multimedia. The monitor uses a fast IPS panel, which combines the color advantages of IPS technology with faster response performance. Unlike traditional IPS displays that were sometimes criticized for slower gaming performance, fast IPS panels are optimized for competitive gaming with improved motion clarity. The display offers a pixel pitch of 0.2331 mm and a viewing area of 596.736 335.664 mm, ensuring detailed visuals and a comfortable viewing experience. 200Hz refresh rate for competitive gaming. One of the biggest highlights of the AOC Q27G4 WS is its 200Hz refresh rate. A higher refresh rate allows the screen to update more frequently, producing smoother animations and clearer movement during fast-paced games. For competitive titles such as first-person shooters, racing games, and esports titles, the 200Hz refresh rate helps players track moving objects more easily and enjoy a more responsive experience. The monitor also features a 1 millisecond GTG response time and an ultra-fast 0.3 milliseconds MPRT response time. This reduces motion blur and ghosting, allowing fast actions to appear sharper on screen. Adaptive sync technology. The AOC Q27G4 WS supports adaptive sync technology, which helps synchronize the monitor refresh rate with the graphics card frame output. This reduces screen tearing and stuttering, creating smoother gameplay. Whether users are playing demanding AA games or fast competitive esports titles, adaptive sync helps maintain a cleaner visual experience without distracting frame interruptions. Display HDR 400 and color accuracy. The monitor is certified with VESA Display HDR 400, providing improved brightness and contrast for HDR-supported games, movies, and content. The Q27G4 WS can reach brightness levels of 350 nits in SDR mode and up to 450 nits in HDR mode, allowing brighter highlights and more visible details in dark scenes. Color performance is another strong area. The monitor supports 1.07 billion colors NTSC 101% coverage sRGB 120% coverage DCI-P 392% coverage. It also offers impressive color accuracy with Delta E2, making it suitable not only for gaming but also for creative tasks such as photo editing and video work. Gaming features, 6 game modes, and AOC has included several gaming-focused tools to improve gameplay. The monitor comes with 6 game modes, allowing users to customize display settings depending on the type of game they are playing. The built-in dial point feature adds an on-screen aiming point, helping players improve targeting accuracy in shooting games. This feature is designed for competitive gamers who want faster aiming assistance. The monitor also includes low-input lag technology, ensuring commands from the keyboard or mouse appear on screen with minimal delay. Flicker-free technology and eye comfort. Long gaming sessions can put stress on the eyes, so AOC has added flicker-free technology to reduce screen flickering. Combined with comfortable viewing angles of 178 horizontal and vertical, the Q27G4 WS provides a more enjoyable experience during extended use. Design and ergonomics. The AOC Q27G4 WS features a gaming-inspired design with a black and red cabinet color combination. The rear panel includes a stylish appearance while maintaining a clean professional look. The monitor supports VESA 100/100 wall mounting, allowing users to install it on monitor arms or wall brackets. The included ergonomic stand provides multiple adjustment options: tilt, -5 to 23 height adjustment, 130 millimeters; swivel, -30 to 30 pivot rotation, -90 to 90. These adjustments allow users to find the ideal viewing position for gaming or productivity. Connectivity options. The Q27G4 WS includes modern connectivity options for PCs, laptops, and gaming devices. Available ports include HDMI 2.0x1 DisplayPort 1.4x1 3.5 headphone output. The monitor supports HDCP 2.2 through HDMI and DisplayPort connections, allowing compatibility with protected digital content. Users can easily connect gaming PCs, consoles, streaming devices, and other multimedia equipment. Power efficiency and build information. The monitor uses an internal power supply and supports a wide voltage range of 100 to 240 volts at 50/60ths of a hertz. Its typical power consumption is approximately 27 watts, making it efficient for a high-performance gaming monitor. Product dimensions with the stand measure: 613.9 x 385.6 to 515.6 x 239.7. 2000 without the stand. The monitor measures 613.9 x 366.3 x 51.3 millimeters. The monitor weighs around 4.82 kilograms without packaging, while the packaged weight is approximately 7.87 kilograms. AOC Q27G4 SLM6WS connection alongside the Q27G4 WS. AOC has also expanded its gaming monitor lineup with the Q27G4 SLM6WS, which targets users seeking even higher performance with advanced mini-LED technology and extremely high refresh rates. This shows AOC's continued focus on delivering gaming displays with improved speed, brightness, and visual quality. Additional gaming experience and overall performance. The AOC Q27G4 WS is also designed to provide a reliable experience for users who combine gaming with productivity. The large 27-inch QHD screen offers enough workspace for multitasking, allowing users to manage multiple windows, edit documents, browse the internet, or work on creative projects with greater comfort. The monitor's high color performance and sharp image quality make it suitable for watching movies, streaming content, and enjoying multimedia entertainment. The combination of a wide color gamut, HDR support, and high brightness levels helps create more realistic visuals with deeper contrast and improved details. For gamers, the low input lag feature ensures faster communication between the connected device and the display. Every keyboard press mouse movement and controller action appears quickly on screen, which is especially valuable in competitive gaming environments. The monitor's durable construction and compliance with international standards, including CB, CE, FCC, KCC, and RoHS certification, highlight AOC's focus on quality and long-term reliability. The energy-efficient design helps reduce power usage while maintaining strong performance. With its combination of speed, color accuracy, ergonomic flexibility, and modern connectivity, the AOC Q27G4 WS becomes a complete gaming solution for users who want premium features, smooth performance, and an immersive viewing experience. Whether used for esports, gaming, office work, or entertainment, This monitor offers the versatility needed for modern digital lifestyles.